and welcome to my kitchen. Are you feeling a bit bloated after Christmas? Because I certainly am. And I'm looking for something a little bit lighter to eat and help ease all those yummy Christmas goodies out of my system. So today I'm sharing a recipe. It's keto bolognese, and it's certainly low in carbs and very tasty, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And this is all you need. You'd need an onion, or half an onion, excuse me, half a small onion, 2 chopped cloves of fresh garlic. You need some Italian spices, some salt, some dried basil, some chili, and black pepper. And also you need 454 grams of hamburger mince, or in this event I've got very lean veal and very lean pork. And you need about 260 grams of noodles made out of cabbage and tomatoes. Now this recipe calls for marinara sauce. I don't have any marinara sauce in the house, so I'm just going to make my own as I go, just as I would a bolognese sauce. So let's get started. It's so simple. So just with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, I probably put less than a tablespoon, not even. And I'm going to fry up the onion just till it's golden brown on a gentle heat, not too high. And you know, because it's keto, we don't have to sort of suffer flavour, because you can put plenty of herbs, lovely fresh and dried herbs in here. You can add a little bit more garlic powder if needed. And believe it or not, the cabbage actually tastes really nice in place of spaghetti or noodles of any kind. And it's, you know, a very healthy, nutritious meal. And as I said, it's quite gentle and easy on your tummy, after this Christmas anyway. So I'm going to let this cook, and then I'll add my meat and come back to you. The garlic, and just cook it very, very gently for a couple of seconds or so. Oh, that aroma hits your senses. There's nothing quite like garlic when you're cooking. Okay, I'm going to add my meat. And just break it up as you're going along. Just let this all brown. Now you can see the liquids in here. When you're making any sort of bolognese sauce, you must let this liquid here evaporate naturally. Don't pour it away, just let it evaporate naturally. And then you'll be left with a lovely dry meat and more concise, clear, tasty flavours. It won't be diluted. So this is browning now to virtually how I want it. Liquid's evaporated beautifully now, and that's exactly how I want my meat. So I'm going to just add 1 can. It's a little bit more than it needs, but I like it a bit more saucy anyway. Just get some water. Breaking up these tomatoes because they're whole. Now obviously this is not going to cook for as long as a traditional bolognese sauce would cook, because obviously there's less sauce in it. So you have to keep your eye on it. And I'm going to add all my lovely spices. As I said, I have chili, dried basil, salt and Italian herbs. I'm going to put those in. I'm going to give it a good grinding also of black pepper. It all adds to the fun. Give it a good toss, good stir through. Now obviously if you had a jar of marinara sauce, it would literally take you about 10-15 minutes to cook, but this is going to take a little bit longer, but not much longer than that. Alright, so I want to turn my heat down fairly low. I'm going to place a lid. It's bubbling away beautifully. And I have tasted it and it's perfection. For the, the small amounts of goods that I've put in here, it actually tastes beautiful. And there's no compromising on taste, obviously, and a great deal healthier. So for those of you that are looking for something keto, you will definitely enjoy this. I'm just going to cook this for 5 more minutes and then I'm going to add my noodles. I'm going to add my noodles. And they will actually shed some liquid themselves. Just a tiny little bit of salt. Just a gentle toss. And I'm going to let these wilt and cook down. In amongst the sauce. And they will shed some water and make this sauce a little bit liquidy. Okay, I'm going to leave that to cook. I'm just going to put the lid back on and then lid back on. I'll let that simmer for a little more. And there they are, all beautifully meshed and melded together. The lovely cabbage noodles, the lovely spicy meat sauce. This is one delicious dinner. And there are actually 4 very generous servings there. Dish out a nice portion. As I said, this is 4 lovely serves. It smells gorgeous. Sprinkle some nice parmesan over it. Oh yes. And now for the taste test. A little bit of that. I'm going to have to blow on it's hot. Seriously? That is really, really satisfying. It's delicious. You're getting your meat hit, lovely spices through it. I've put chili, hot chili through it, the lovely cabbage, the parmesan cheese. It is delicious. I'm sure you will enjoy it. More. Yum, yum. Thank you so much for watching, dear friends, and thank you also to the many more new subscribers. If there's anything particular you would like me to cook, please comment in the comment box below. The recipe for this will be included in the box below as well. Thank you, happy days, and until next time, check you later. Bye.